to everybody. Just thought I'd come on here today to show you this here. This is me trying to clean down my table, and this is my good friend. His name is Minky, and he helps, doesn't he? I'm sure. Ouch. I'm sure all you people out there, a lot of you ladies have one of these cat things. He's only, I think he's about not quite 5 months old yet, and he is a busy boy, aren't you? And no, don't do that. That's not nice. You keep chewing me all the time. He bites me all the time, don't you? Stop biting me. And now he's getting a bit vicious. Look here, you're on the camera now. You want to look up here to the people? They can see you now. Yeah, you're a beautiful boy, aren't you? No, don't smack me. Anyway, so I thought I'd just show you my kitty. Somebody asked if I could put him up on the video. Well, I can't get him off the table, so I guess that's Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye.